Meeting notes in Confluence are a powerful feature to make your meetings more effective. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the newest version of our Confluence app, Meetical Meetings, which helps you to create, share, and find meeting pages in Confluence faster and easier. I'm Lucas from Meetical. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. The basic concept of meeting notes in Confluence, as you might know, is that every key meeting gets a dedicated page you can use before, during, and after the meeting. And as a best practice, these pages should get linked to your calendar invites so everybody can find the page fast and easy. And creating and linking these pages manually, as in this example, is time consuming, and it requires discipline and easily gets forgotten. So this is where pages become outdated and they are hard to find and even get abandoned. And here, this is where Meetical for Confluence helps. So here, after installing the app, I can find it in Apps, Meetings, and I will be able to connect my work calendar here. And this is the first feature. I will see this new internal calendar, and I can see a list of all my meetings here. And for example, here, this team meeting, I've already created a page. I can come here and open that page. This is actually this exact page. And what I can see is that here I have a macro which shows me the title of the meeting event, a nice status, scheduled, in progress, or finished, and basic information like the date, time, and the location, and the attendees. And notice also that I can easily open that event back in my calendar directly from here. And I have also, since this is a recurring meeting, an easy navigation to previous meetings or a next possible meeting. Meetical also created a parent page for this recurring meeting. So things are structured and ordered and easier to manage. Here we see that the team already started to populate this page before the meeting started, which is one of the basic ideas of Confluence meeting notes. Afterwards, we will be able to fill in action items and decision and whatever is important to document. Now, I can not only find pages faster, but I can also create new pages directly from here, which opens up this drop-down menus. But another option is to use for Google Calendar or for Outlook the calendar extensions. So first thing to notice here, the team meeting again is already linked to a Confluence page. And this is why Meetical, the calendar extension, will directly show me the link to the page. But if there is no page yet, I will see the option here to edit the event and create a completely new page. Let me move over here and show you this new button, which you get by installing the extension. You click on Add Confluence Page. You then simply choose your space, a template. You can either use the default one or one of the included templates. You can even create your own templates. More on that in a separate video. But for today, you're going to use the weekly tactical meeting here. I click on Create Page, and the page will get created for me. Additionally, let me open this page up here already. Additionally, what we will see is that Meetical added a link to that page here automatically. So not only people who use the Chrome extension will find the page easier, but also people who I sent the calendar invite to, right? Let's have a look at the page I've just created. As you can see, it got automatically populated with date, time, location, and it also included here the description of the meeting invite, and it shows up all the attendees. I can also come here and change the attendees status directly from here if the calendar status is not yet up to date. And as you can see here, the template is the weekly tactical meeting template. All our templates also include some guidance and inspiration to help you make the most out of the meetings and have more time for your focus and strategic work, right? Okay, so this is it. The same feature is also available for Outlook. As you can see here, I've created a page before. So I have here, first of all, created the link to the page in the description, but I have also an easy option with the Outlook extension to create a page and then always find the page easily. Well, there's a lot more to discover for Meetical. For example, you can completely automate this process or how to create meeting pages. So you have always a page available at the right time. More on this in another video. For today, I hope you enjoyed this short demo. Thank you very much for watching. Have great meetings and try Meetical.